how to sell printable greeting cards and stationery on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other products or the other sellers' products. So as you can see here, we have a lot of categories, and also we have here a lot of products. And if you notice, most of them are handmade products, as you can see. So here you can just choose one of these products, and I'm going to show you. So this is, we call it a shop page, and this is what I'm going to show you in the coming minutes, how you can create a shop page like this one, how you can add the pictures of your product, and how you can add a pricing to your product, add this 50% off sale, and so on, and also how you can add these other details, how you can add a description to your product, and also how you can set your shipping and return policies. So let's close this tab and let's get into it. Click on sign in with your email or register to create a new account. So here it's sign in, and go to your top right, click on the shop manager button, and let's start from the beginning, which is the shop preferences. So here, this is how you set up your Etsy shop. You start with the shop preferences all the way to the shop security. So we have 6 steps to go through. So let's start with the shop preferences, the language, country, and the currency. So you'll find those 3 already done with automatically. So I'm just going to change the currency to the United States dollar. It's easier in that currency. Then click on save and continue, and here you choose a name for your shop. So for me, I'm just going to go with the niche's name, which is printable greeting cards and stationery. So here, let's remove the spaces between words, just like that, and then let's shorten it to be between 4 and 20 characters. So here, let's click on save and continue, and then you move on to adding some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. Let me close this one first. So here guys, just make sure to follow these tips, like use natural light and no flash, include a common objects for scale, show the item being held, worn, or used, shoot against a clean, simple background, add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. And guys, make sure to upload at least one picture, so when you click on save and continue, you will see this message that says you left some sections without filling them, like uploading at least one picture, as you can see in here. And for the video, it's not very important. If you have one, you can just drop it in here. If not, you can just skip it. It won't make any problems. And also, if you want to create your video, you can just follow these quick tips, like film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. And then we have the listing details, where we have the title. If you want, but not if you want, it's a must to put a title for your product. Then you answer these questions: who made it, and what is it, and also when did you make it, if it's not made yet or recently. Then you have the category where you search for the category that you're in, if it's printable greeting cards and stationery in templates, or in greeting cards, or in birthday cards. So let's go with greeting cards, and here you have these additional details which are optional if you want to fill them. For me, I'm just going to skip it for later. Then you have the renewal options, if you want automatic renewal or manual renewal, choose the one that you want. And also if your product is a physical product or a digital product, so I'm just going to leave it in physical. And here you have the description. If you want to create a good description for your product and you have no time, or you don't want to go through writing too much, just go to etsy.com, type your product's name and search for the competitors, take their description, go to ChatGPT and change it a little bit, change the paragraph and so on, and then copy paste in the description section, and here you will have your description. Or you can just follow this text which says, start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind the item. You can just follow this and write your description. Then you have the production patterns if you have any, if not, just leave it empty. Then you have these 3 additional sections which are optional, so I'm just going to leave them for later. And then you have the inventory and pricing, so here make sure to leave a good profit for yourself. And you have the domestic and the global pricing if you want to turn it off. You have also the quantity and the SKU number. Then you have the variations. If your product has variations, you can add them in here. You have the personalization if you want to turn it on or off. Then you have the shipping settings where you add the country of origin, the origin postal code, processing time, and so on. And then last but not least, you have the returns and exchanges policy if you want to apply the 30 days policy, or if you want to choose another policy, click on here and then you create your new policy. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends. And also if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.